Do you believe time travel is real? If time travel were possible, where would you want to go and take a look? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today, even though right now we can't exactly travel back in time. If you want to explore those long-gone historical events, you're kind of stuck with text and pictures, and it's hard to truly feel it, right? But guess what? Things are changing.
Wow.
With technology advancing, especially AI's rapid development, imagine if we could use AI to let us experience historical events like we're right there in the moment. Cool, right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create POV videos of historical events, almost like a time travel experience. Stick with me. We're about to start. And make sure to carve out 10 minutes to watch the entire video because trust me, you don't want to miss the pro tips I'm going to share, especially at the end, where I'll throw in some tips on running a YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you'll leave satisfied. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Writing your prompts. Writing good prompts can be a real headache. First, we need some inspiration, so head over to TikTok and search for some POV videos to spark ideas. Okay, now that I've got some ideas, it's time to jump into ChatGPT. Input your idea and have it play the role you want it to. Let's take my first idea. POV. You wake up as a Chernobyl worker in 1986. Give me 10 different scenes from a day in the life. Bam! ChatGPT works its magic. Next, type this in. Give me detailed prompts for AI to generate images for each scene. Then give me prompts to animate them in Kling. Each prompt should be at least 4 to 5 detailed sentences. Make sure it's from a first-person view. Make it photorealistic. Boom! Magic happening. Oh, and I'll be sharing all these prompts and the case studies I used for this video on my WhatsApp channel. If you're interested, check the link in the video description and join. If you ever feel like you need more ideas, just ask ChatGPT. It'll keep feeding you endless inspiration. Step 2. Image generation. Copy your prompt, head over to Piclumen AI, and click Launch App. Paste your prompt, select the Piclumen Art AI model, and set the image ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Then, hit Generate. Repeat the process for all 10 scenes, download the images, and save them to your computer. Step 3. Creating the animation. For animation, I'm going to use both Kling AI and Hailuo AI to save time, because honestly, the free membership wait times are brutal. Copy your animation prompt, go to Kling AI, click on Frames, upload your image, enter the prompt, and set creativity to 0.7. Then hit Generate. While you're waiting, hop over to Hailuo AI, upload the image, input your prompt, and choose the camera control option. This is a new feature. Pro tip. Even though you can select up to 3 camera controls at once, as a beginner, I suggest picking just 1 or 2. Too many can get out of control. Click Generate, then wait for the animation to be ready and download it to your computer. Step 4. Upscale your video clips. I highly recommend this to improve the viewing experience. Head over to CapCut's website, not the app, and it's free. On the left side, select Magic Tools, then Video Upscaler. Upload your video clips one by one. This will make your video super clear. Pretty awesome, right? Step 5. Adding music and sound effects. The cool part is, in the scene animation prompts, there are usually sound effects mentioned. For example, Scene 1 might have wind sounds, Scene 2 might have the sound of a bus engine. So, I head over to Pixabay to download matching sound effects. Step 6. Editing. For editing, I stick with CapCut. Open CapCut, import your video clips and sound effects, and start by dragging your video clips into the timeline. Cut, resize, and remove any watermarks. Then adjust the speed and delete any shots that don't look good. Add sound effects to each video clip. I love adding a fade-out effect for transitions. At the end, throw in some background music, but keep the volume down, about 15. Here's a neat trick. Add subtitles at the end. This helps your viewers feel more connected to the story and understand what's going on. Once done, export your video. Let's take a look at the final result. How's it feel, guys? Pretty cool, right? But wait, having a great video is only half the battle. Let me share some YouTube channel growth tips with you. Tip number 1. If you're starting a new channel, don't just upload a video right away. First, make sure your channel looks good. Add a profile picture, a banner, and set up your channel tags. You can use Canva to design your picture and banner. Tip number 2. Once that's done, don't upload multiple videos in one day, especially short ones. For a new account, flooding the platform with videos might get you flagged as low quality, which is something you want to avoid. You want your algorithm to get familiar with your channel. So for long videos, aim for 1 to 2 per week, and for shorts, 3 to 4 per week. Tip number 3. Get savvy with SEO. The traffic you get from search clicks can really boost your views. Use Google Trends and vidIQ to find trending keywords and make sure they're in your video title and description. Tip number 4. Be patient. Just because you're not getting a ton of views right away doesn't mean you should quit. Focus on your views over a month, not just a couple of videos. It takes time to build traction. And hey, if you're wondering, why should I listen to someone with only 5K subscribers? Well, how about someone with 200K subscribers instead? That's better, right? Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Wishing you all the best of luck. See you in the next video.